Hey everyone, Chris here from Moore's Jewelers, and today we are showing off a white gold wedding set we designed for a client's customer. However, the customer wanted to have the two rings joined together but give the appearance of two individual rings. In total, the two rings will be set with one oval center diamond, 28 various size smaller round diamonds, and 3 different size marquee diamonds. The stone layout and placement was designed around what diamonds the customer already had. The diamonds held sentimental value and she wanted to use all that she had available. Our client only asked us to do the 3D model or CAD drawing, printing, and casting. Their jeweler is going to set the diamonds and finish the ring. Their customer did not want to have the diamonds shipped out, which is not a problem because as long as we have the exact measurements of each stone, we are able to design the print to fit exactly. As mentioned in our last video, we sent this print out to our client for them to check the fitting for the diamonds and finger size. Once everything was inspected, the print was sent back and cast, which is what you see here now. We'll give the ring a light buff and tumble to help smooth the surface and make things easier on their jeweler, but for our part the ring is completed. Sometimes our clients send us images of the final piece. If they do so, I'll update with how the ring turned out. If you have stones or diamonds from old pieces of jewelry that you would like to have custom made into something more personal or modern, feel free to contact us. We'd be more than happy to help in any way we can. Check the links below for more information, and thanks for watching.